Hi guys, this is Russ over at Lee's Auto and RV Ranch in Ellington, Connecticut. Today I got a 2026 HS-750 slide-in camper. Your cargo capacity on that, your dry weight is 1870. So on the side of your door in your truck, there's a yellow tag. That's gonna give you the payload. Go buy that payload. If it's over 2,000 pounds, you're good, you can carry this. I'm gonna go over the outside. This has electric tongue jacks. So that's all you do is push a button and your jacks go up and down. You can do one jack, two jacks at the same time, or all at once. You have a one-piece rubber roof, which is warranted for life on this. As long as you maintain that roof, it's warranted for life. You also have a lippard system on here. A lot of your campers, if you don't put a ladder on it, there's no backing for it. So Palomino puts a lippard system on here, which is backing for a telescope ladder. So you can put a telescope ladder on here and you can go up on top of your roof. There's also two solar panels on there, and they're 200 watts per solar panel. So you got 400 watt solars. This right here is a little spray nozzle. It's got hot and cold running water. It's got a little spray nozzle that's hooked up to this. Got cable. You got satellite dish, and this right here is your 30 amp service, and you got a 30-foot cord for it, which is stored right in here. Little slam latch door, good insulation on that door, and you got access to the outside from the inside. Again, slam latch door, magnet door. You have outlets here, so if you want to put electricity out here, you can do that. You got your furnaces right here. This is your fresh water fill. This is your city water. And this right here is your gray water from your sink that's inside. Tankless water heater. That's gonna give you hot water within about 14 seconds. It's a DSI, direct spark ignition. You still gotta take a marine shower though. You gotta rinse down, shut the wand off, lather up, rinse down, shut the wand off. Again, you can't leave it running. You'll run out of hot water. Over here, you have a battery disconnect, and that'll feed off your batteries that are inside. And then you also got a little charger here. You pull these out, and you can put a charger to that if you needed to. Of course, you got your plug here for your 7-wire for your truck. And then over here, that plug hooks into here. These right here are your bumper guards. So when you slide your camper in, you bump up to the back of your cab and you're in. This right here, you have sliding windows in this, which is nice because if you have somebody back there and you want something, you have your truck. If you have a sliding window in your truck, you can pass things through here. Over here in the front, I just want to show you, this is a rhino liner, guys. This is really, really durable. And they also give you a front window. It's a frameless window, so you can see out, but you can't see in. Fiberglass sidewall, aluminum construction with an Esdell sidewall on here. Esdell sidewall is a component that does not like water. You want something that does not like water. Over here, you get your propane tank. You got a 20-pound tank. Also, you have a quick disconnect right here. So if you want to run a grill, like a little hibachi out here, you can put a hook up on here and it'll feed off your propane tank. Again, slam latch door. This right here is an outside shower, hot and cold running water, frameless windows, and you also got outside speakers. And remember, you got rain gutters that designate your black streaks from one side to the other. Okay, we're gonna go inside now. All right, we're inside now, guys. You got a jackknife sofa. This is gonna pull out and make into a bed. Again, you got frameless windows. This right here is a kick-out window you can use as a window. There's a screen there, so you can leave like that if you want to. You got a fantastic vent in the back over the cab, so you can turn that on. You can get a nice cross breeze with all your windows open. Over here, you got a little bit of storage underneath here. And then you also have a little stool here with a table that's actually right on top of your bed there, and it can show you that. Right here is your table, and then your stool here, and this is your bar. And then you also have your furnace. This right here is your reader for your solar panel. This right here is a built-in power converter which trickle charges your battery as you're traveling down the road. If you're plugged into 110, it's going to trickle charge your battery also. You have a 2-burner stove. You also have a little bit of ambiance on here, so if you hit this knob, your knobs will turn blue. This over here is your water heater. It's a tankless water heater. Again, you'll have hot water within about 14 seconds. This right here I call my command center. It's a monitor panel. It tells you the battery level, your black tank, your gray, and your fresh water. This right here is your water pump. So if you're feeding off your tank, you hit that water pump and all your water is going to feed up to you. The only thing is when you're using your water pump and feeding off your tank, don't put the water in your mouth. You'll get a bellyache. Bring portable water with you. This right here is your furnace. So you turn to a certain temperature, just like your home, it'll kick on and off. This right here is your air conditioner. It's a 13.5 BTU AC. It'll probably blow you out of here. It's got a good size in here. Here's an 11 cubic refrigerator. It's got a little snap on here. It's got a little freezer in there for your Ben & Jerry ice creams. You got about a 6-inch cushion up here. Again, you got your window. You got a spot here for a TV, a flat screen TV. This right here is your barn sink, and it's also got a little drying rack on it. This goes on the outside of your truck, of course. I don't know why they have it here. And then here is your window for your truck. So again, if you're back here and he wants something or she wants something back there, you can slide the window up and give them something. All right, now we got a shower here also, guys. It's called a wet bath. Nice thing about this too is you got a push pedal flush toilet. So again, you don't have to pull the knob over here. Stays pretty dry. You can shut the door if you wanted to. And then your knob over here for your shower, you can pull down if you wanted to and use it. Hot and cold running water. Other than that, come see me. My name is Russ over at Lee's Auto and RV Ranch. Hope to see ya.